This guide provides a walkthrough on how to publish various types of Office content to the Macabacus shared libraries. All library management is conducted through the Library Manager within the add-in, accessible from Excel, PowerPoint, or Word. On the left-hand side, shared libraries are displayed. Expand the desired library to see the available content types for publishing. This walkthrough covers the process of publishing different types of library content and how to do so efficiently. To publish slides, open the PowerPoint presentation containing the slides to be published. Open the Library Manager while the presentation is active and navigate to the slide's content type. A new group can be created by selecting New Group. Groups function similarly to folders. For example, a Bio Slides for Europe group can be created. Once the group is selected, click Publish to Group. There are two publishing options available: publish all slides separately as individual items, or publish all slides as a single collection. After selecting the preferred publishing method, tags can be added if needed. Once published, the slides will appear in the library pane, accessible for insertion into presentations. For publishing shapes, ensure that the PowerPoint presentation contains only the shapes intended for publishing. Naming and grouping shapes should be done using the selection pane in PowerPoint. The names assigned here will be used in the library. Open the Library Manager and navigate to the Shapes section. A group can be created for organization, such as M&A icons. After selecting Publish to Group, there is an option to publish all shapes in the presentation or only selected shapes. Once confirmed, the shapes will be named accordingly in the library pane for easy access. Images can also be published to the library. Open the Library Manager and navigate to the Images section. A new group can be created, such as company logos. Selecting Publish to Group allows Macabacus to be pointed to a folder containing images or a specific image file. Supported image formats include SVG, PNG, and JPEG. Once published, images will be named based on their file names and will appear in the library pane. Tables from Excel can be published as pre-formatted ranges of cells that act as templates. To do this, select the range of cells to be published and open the Library Manager. Navigate to the Tables section, then either select an existing group or create a new one, such as operational schedules. After selecting Publish to Group, confirm the selection. The table will then be available in the library pane for insertion into workbooks, retaining all formulas and formatting. A full model template can also be published to the library. The Excel model should be saved locally before opening the Library Manager. Navigate to Model Templates and create a new group, such as Firm Approved Templates. Click Publish to Group and browse to select the model file before confirming publishing. Once published, the template will be accessible under the New drop-down, allowing users to create workbooks based on the approved template. Charts can be published from Excel and then used in other Office applications from the library pane. Open the Excel file containing the charts and access the Library Manager. Navigate to the Charts section and create a new group, such as Firm Approved Charts. Click Publish to Group and choose either to publish all charts in the workbook or only those on the active worksheet. Once published, charts can be accessed through the library pane in Excel, PowerPoint, or Word. Users can insert charts into their documents and update dummy data with actual data as needed. Word templates can also be published to Macabacus. Open the Library Manager and navigate to Document Templates. Select an existing group or create a new one. Click Publish to Group and browse to select a .gex file to publish. Once published, the template will be accessible under the New drop-down, allowing users to create documents based on the approved format. This is useful for firm-approved letterheads, engagement letters, term sheets, and other standardized documents. This guide outlines how to publish different types of content to the Macabacus shared libraries, ensuring easy access and consistency across teams. By following these steps, users can efficiently manage and distribute firm-approved templates, slides, shapes, images, charts, and more within their organization.